Alright, finally, Yamaha AG03 MK2. Box is pretty clean. Good graphics. Yamaha always keeps it simple. Just straight to the point. Mixer on top, USB cable, paperwork. That's everything. This actually feels way nicer than I expected. Light, but not cheap. The finish is clean. You'll look good on my desk. USB-C finally. Everything is laid out really clearly. Mic input here. Gain. The one-touch compressor. It's clutch. It's very good. Yeah, this fits my setup. Streaming, recording, loopback. Yeah, this is exactly what I need right now. Loopbacks built in, so streaming and recording system audio won't be a pain. And it works with mobile too. That actually makes this way more flexible than I thought. And of course, there's a mute button. It's compact, lightweight. The matte finish looks clean and modern. Perfect. Combo XLR input for the mic. Gain control. Yamaha's built-in compressor button, which is amazing for your voice. So yeah, for clean audio, it's an easy setup. It just works. Yamaha AG03 MK2 is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's plug it in and see how it sounds.